Good morning everyone, welcome you all in the chapter 4 again, that is formatting a document. So student, we have already learned several things in MS Word. Let's again start with how to open Microsoft Word. Okay, I need each and every student will respond me while I'm asking you how to open Microsoft Word. How to open? Click on the start button, then go to the all programs in the Microsoft Office, and then go to the Microsoft Word. Okay, your Microsoft Word software will display in front of you. Okay, so this is how your Microsoft Word software opens. Now we are already learned about the changing of font type and making bold, italic and underlined. Okay, so let's learn more things today. Let's open our existing document first. For example, how to open an existing document? Just go to the Office button, you know that very well, and go to the open option, or either Control plus O keys together. Okay, Control and O keys together. So here is the one document that I have created for your video purpose, for explanation purpose only. So in this paragraph we will learn different things in our Microsoft Word. Okay, so we learned about we last stopped in our video with coloring of the text. So let's start with the coloring of text. How can you color the text? First of all, select the text. I'm just making it center line. Okay, alignment also I have explained you. Okay, and how to color? Just select the text and go to the color option in the font color. Okay, font color option in the font group of the home tab. Okay, so from here you can choose the appropriate color that you want of your text. Okay, for example, I want to make it blue, and I want my text color should be of red color. Okay, so my text color is red and my heading color is blue. Okay, so you have learned about the coloring, and you can have more colors with the help of more color option. Here you can select the appropriate color that you actually want. For example, I want the color pink now, that I have created just. So this color is now applied here. Okay, so let's learn now changing line spacing. How can you change the line spacing in your, all of you just open your book also with you, because I'm going topic wise, so you have to read your book also. Line spacing means, line spacing is a vertical distance between successive lines, lines के बीच का distance. Okay, we can also increase and decrease the line spacing. Line spacing को हम decrease और increase भी कर सकते हैं. For example, we will select the paragraph first. How to select? Like this also. Triple click on the paragraph. Your paragraph will be selected. Okay, now our paragraph is selected. For doing any changes, you need to select first. In which part of text you are going to do changes, you need to select that part. Okay, so go to the click on the line spacing button in the paragraph group on the home tab. Now home tab, paragraph group. Okay, in the home tab, in the paragraph group, there is a, wait a minute, line spacing button is there. This is your line spacing. Click here. As you click on it, there are the line spacings are there. Okay, so you can choose your appropriate spacing from here. See, okay, as I select 1.5, the line space is now more. As I select 2, line spacing is more. Okay, as I select 2.5, line spacing is more. Okay, more than that. See, and you can decrease it like this, and from here also you can decrease. Okay, this is the lowest one. Okay, this is the lowest one, that is 1.0. Or either you can go to the line spacing option. As you click on it, there is a line spacing option. As you click on the line spacing option, your paragraph dialog box will appear. Okay, this is your paragraph dialog box. Okay, here we need to select the indent spacing tab. So by default indent spacing tab is open. Okay, and now we can do changes whatever we need. Okay, these are the indents. Okay, so here are the spacing. You can choose spacing here from here also, single line, 1.5 line, like double, at least, exactly, or multiple line. Okay, see, like this. So you are able to see the changes here also. Okay, so whatever the type of changes you want to make, it will be changed according to it. So this is all about the line spacing. From where you will change, in the home tab, in the paragraph group, and there is a line spacing button also, and you can go to the line spacing option, then your paragraph tab will, dialog box will open, and you can change from here also, from the spacing. Okay, clear to everyone? So this is how you can change the line spacing. Your line spacing topic is clear to everyone? By default, the line spacing is set to single. By default, single line spacing होता है. Okay. Now, how to create bulleted numbered list? Okay, for example, these are all my shortcut keys that I have explained you in previous video. Okay, that I have told you to write in previous video. So these I need to be numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, or either A, B, C, D, or either first, second, third, like this in Roman number. So from where I have to go? I have to go in the bullets button in the paragraph group in the home tab. Home tab के paragraph group के आप bullets button में जाओगे. So here are the bullets. Okay, here are the bullets. Either you want bullets or number. I want number. So my numbering will be like this. Or if I want to choose a type of numbering like ABC, I can choose ABC, I can choose small ABC, I can choose first, second, third in Roman number. Okay, like this. So we can choose according to it. As I choose, these are converted to 1, 2, 3. But I don't want number, I want bullets. Bullets क्या होते हैं बेटा? Just like symbols. Bullets are symbols. So these are the by default symbols in library, and you can have more from the new bullets. From the, wait a minute, from here, symbol, no, I don't want symbol, wait a minute, I want picture. So in the picture option, you can go and you can select other bullets also. There are so many types of bullets are here. So you can choose any bullets in your with your text. Any bullets you can choose with your text. For example, I am choosing this, and this will be in my text now. So you can have bullets from, okay, how to choose? You can go to this bullets option, go to change list label, okay, and wait a minute, define bullets in the symbol. If you will choose symbol, the symbols will come in bullet. Okay, so many symbols are available. You can choose the symbols also in your bullets. Okay, but if you want to change, if you want pictures as your bullet, you can have pictures in your bullet like these. Okay, clear to everyone? So I hope you have learned about the creating number and bullets. Okay. Now today we are going to learn about applying border. Okay, applying border and shading. We are going to learn applying border and shading. Okay, so why we need border and shading? To improve the appearance and readability of text. Text की readability and उसके appearance के लिए we need to apply border and shading. We can add variety of border and shading effect to paragraph and entire page. पूरे page में भी apply कर सकते हैं. And we can also do a particular paragraph. For example, I want border or shading in these 3 lines only. So I have selected these lines, and where I need to go? I need to go in the home tab. In the paragraph group, there is this is your border, bottom border. Sorry, this is your border button. Okay, this is your border button. Okay, border button. So here you have to select. So this is your, click on the border and shading option. As you click on the border and shading option, this border and shading dialog box will appear. Okay, this border and shading dialog box will appear in front of you. As you see, your border and shading dialog box appears now. Now you can do what? Here you can choose appropriate line you want in your border. Which type of border you want? Either you want only a box, okay, you want a box, you want a shadow of the box, if you want to a 3D, custom you want, okay, which type of border you want. For example, I want a box, okay, and which type of box you want. For example, this type of lines, okay, and which type of color of the lines, it will be selected from here. How much you want, like this, okay, point of thickness of the lining you can select from a width of the lining, you can select from here, okay, and just click on the OK. Okay, where you want to select on paragraph or you want to select on text, but I want to select on text. Okay, this is selected on text, but if I will choose like on paragraph, then my all colors borders will be selected to paragraph. Okay, so whole paragraph will be selected to this color. Paragraph, it is for whole paragraph, whatever you select, it will go to the whole paragraph. Okay, when you will do to text, it will go to text only. Okay, so this is how we can select a paragraph. Or you can also have border in your page also. Let me tell you about the page also. Okay, so how to border your page? Just go to again to that option in the paragraph, borders and shading. Go to the click on the border and shading option. Here is the page border. Okay, click on the page border. Okay, and here you can select the style, or either you can choose art, and from here you can choose any type of border. For example, I want a butterfly border. There is a very beautiful butterfly type of border. See, it will be applied like this. Now look, my whole page is decorated into a page border. Again I am repeating how to border your page. Go to the border and shading option in the paragraph, go to the border and shading, and here you can go to the page border and then go to these borders. For example, these flowers are looking also very beautiful. So your border is of now in the form of picture. Clear? Clear to everyone? So that we have learned. Okay. Also shading we will learn. Go to this border and shading and go to the shading. I am choosing the color like this and okay. The whole paragraph will be shaded in that color. For just like sometimes we are doing for what? For shading our text for what? For making it appearance good or making it beautiful. Okay, so this is all in this topic. Okay, one more thing is there, drop cap option. So let's do that, and then after I will tell you how to create your MS Word document in your mobile. Okay, so apply drop cap for select the letter. For example, I want this T for drop cap. So go to the insert tab. Okay, in the insert tab, go to the drop cap option. So there is a drop cap option. See, this is a drop cap option. Okay, dropped. So this letter will be dropped. This is your drop cap option, by which this T is now displayed like this. You can easily see in so many newspapers and in some articles, first letter are coming like this. So this is by with the help of this your drop cap option that is present in insert tab. Okay, in the text group there is a drop cap option. For example, I want to do this, and so I want to go to this and drop. It will drop like this. Okay, see. So this is all in the drop cap. So this is all in computer. Now we will go to the mobile, how to open your Microsoft Word in mobile and how to create document there. That is for your practical. Okay, let's move to the mobile.